Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and spread 2 cups of mixed nuts on a rimmed baking sheet. Toast for 10 minutes until fragrant and lightly browned, stirring once. While nuts cool, line a 9x 13-inch pan with parchment and lightly butter the paper so the bars release cleanly. Measure ingredients precisely. 1/2 cup, 113 g unsalted butter, 1 cup, 200 g granulated sugar, 1/2 cup, 120 ml, light corn syrup, 1/2 cup, 120 ml, heavy cream. In a medium heavy-bottomed saucepan, melt 1/2 cup, 113 g butter over medium heat, then add 1 cup, 200 g granulated sugar and 1/2 cup, 120 ml, light corn syrup, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Increase heat and let the mixture boil undisturbed, using a candy thermometer to monitor until it reaches 245 degrees F, the softball stage, about 8 to 12 minutes depending on stovetop. Remove from heat and carefully whisk in 1/2 cup, 120 ml heavy cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon salt until smooth, then stir in the toasted nuts immediately. Pour the hot caramel and nut mixture into the prepared 9x 13-inch pan and spread it evenly with a spatula, pressing gently so nuts are level and there are no air pockets. Let the pan sit at room temperature until the caramel firms, about 2 hours. For cleaner slicing, chill in the refrigerator 30 minutes, then lift the parchment and cut into bars with a straight, sharp knife warmed under hot water and wipe dry between cuts. Store bars in an airtight container at room temperature up to 1 week or freeze up to 3 months, thawing before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.